When buying an apartment in Hyderabad, you're often faced with two main choices: a gated community or a standalone building. Both have their own unique advantages. But today, let's dive into what sets them apart and help you decide what's best for you. Gated communities are built on expensive plots, often spanning 3 acres or more. They offer a range of housing options: apartments, villas, even townhouses, catering to different needs and budgets. Plus, you get to access the amenities like parks, clubhouses, round the clock security. They're perfect for those who prioritize lifestyle and community living. Standalone apartments, on the other hand, are constructed on much smaller plots, usually around 800 to 2000 square yards. While they don't come with the large scale amenities of gated communities, they offer unique benefits that are often overlooked. There are two main types of standalone apartments in Hyderabad. First one being the cluster living apartments. These are similar to high rise apartments with two or more flats per floor. Typically, there's one tower due to the smallest plot size. Second one is the builder floor apartments. Here you get one apartment per floor, offering more privacy and exclusivity. These are usually built on plots ranging from 400 to 600 square yards. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for a vibrant community and lifestyle filled with amenities, gated communities are a great choice. But if you value privacy, exclusivity, and affordability, standalone apartments might be the perfect fit for you. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your lifestyle and priorities. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on finding your perfect home in Hyderabad.